Hi, nostalgic home cooks. Today I'm in the kitchen making a warm and cozy potato soup recipe.
This easy vegetarian potato soup recipe is the ultimate comfort food meal. A creamy, rich soup packed with flavor and cheesy goodness.
This soup is perfect for adding an abundance of delicious topping, which really turns this recipe into a fun, interactive meal.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make a vegetarian potato soup.
To start this recipe, the first thing I need to do is prepare the potatoes. You might be wondering what type of potatoes are best for soup. I find that either Yukon Gold or yellow, or a combination of yellow and russet, to be the best type of potatoes for this soup. The yellow potatoes have that creamy, buttery softness, and the russet will give you that soft and fluffy potato texture. Peeling or not peeling the potatoes is up to your own preference. Now I'm going to chop my potatoes down just to help them cook quicker and more evenly. For this recipe, which makes about 5 to 6 servings of soup, I'm going to use 5 medium potatoes. Once prepared, I can add them to my pot of salted water and bring them to a boil over medium-high heat. Cook for about 30 minutes or until the potatoes are very tender. Before straining off the liquid, make sure you reserve about 1/2 cup of starchy potato water. This is going to help thicken the broth later. Drain off the liquid and return the potatoes to the pot. Now I'm going to add in 1 can of evaporated milk, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and the reserved potato water. Return the soup to medium heat and mash some of the potatoes lightly. This is going to help thicken the soup. I'm going to cover and allow the soup to reheat until it just starts to simmer. Now I can remove it from the heat and stir in 1 cup of grated cheese. You can use cheddar or your favorite melting cheese. Stir until it melts into the soup. Now I'm going to give my soup a taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. And that is it for this super simple recipe. And my soup is ready to serve. But don't forget the toppings. The sky is the limit when it comes to potato soup toppings. There are so many great choices, the most popular being the things that you would usually use to top a baked potato, like grated cheese, sour cream, and chives. However, some other great options are toasted nuts, croutons, chopped cooked broccoli florets, sweet corn kernels, salsa, pickled jalapenos, crispy tortilla chips, diced tomatoes, or hot sauce. For a fun, interactive meal, set up a topping bar and let everyone customize their own soup. Try spooning this classic soup into bread bowls for a filling, restaurant-worthy meal that will bring the whole family to the table. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by!